Yeah, and the winds are light and variable, right? Not
Yeah.
too strong. So and you tend to see that with the lighter winds is they can shift instead of being in one direction. And that's what we have been seeing, not to mention with some of the hot ashes coming up can create spot fires or on hilly terrain. You can see the fires move in all different directions also. So I want to show you the latest on this satellite right now with the mosquito fire, the smoke plume. Call it a pyrocumulus cloud, and it's been extending. Right now, it's upwards about 26,000 feet up in the atmosphere, and it's just smothering smoke eastward over toward the South Lake Tahoe area. I'm going to go ahead and overlay the wind streams on there, and again, they're about 5 miles per hour at this point. But you can notice what's helping to push all that smoke toward the east, and that's why South Lake Tahoe, eastward into Nevada, is seeing very thick smoke right now. Those winds will start to shift overnight, though. Kind of what happened last night, and all that smoke, that thick smoke, to work its way back down toward the valley floor, and then tomorrow afternoon we'll see some smoke all across parts of the valley as well, reducing air quality, which is not the greatest when you're talking about excessive heat. Also, we're still dealing with the heat wave, but that's coming to an end as we go through tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day of that. Right now in downtown, 113 degrees, and temperatures will be upwards of about 105 to 110 again tomorrow. By the weekend, a big change in temperatures. You can see by Saturday afternoon, those high temperatures pretty much into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees, and that's it. That is going to feel really nice following this long stretch of excessive heat. And you can go down to the tropics for this. The reason why we're cooling down has to do with Hurricane K. It's been weakening as it's interacting with Baja California, but it is tracking to the north and will continue to weaken over the next few days as it hangs out just off the coast of Southern California. It will impact our area with the form of some cloud cover, but certainly producing some gusty winds along parts of the immediate coast and San Diego County going into tomorrow, and some of the east-west facing valleys could see gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. Now, those winds won't certainly make it up here either, but we will see the moisture with it in the form of cloud cover, as we mentioned. Now, the higher elevations in the Sierra over the weekend will have some thunderstorms. That will be something to watch when it comes to the risk of lightning in the high terrain. But the bigger story for us is because we are seeing some of that moisture streaming north from the tropics from Hurricane K, it gives us cloud cover. When you have cloud cover, it does not warm up nearly as much. So that's going to help cool the temperatures down Saturday and again on Sunday. The foothills will be into the mid-80s, low to mid-80s for highs. It's going to feel, again, as we mentioned, really nice by the end of this weekend. We'll be watching for the thunderstorm chances in the higher elevations with some of the instability due to that. Tomorrow, again, is the last day of the heat wave. New pattern setting up next week. And by Tuesday and Wednesday, look at those high temperatures continuing into the mid-80s. So overall, a much cooler pattern is right around the corner.